Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do reading for Aries, monthly reading for Aries for the month of Feb 2026. This is a general reading guys, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. So in this reading we will see the overall energy for the month, key obstacles and challenges, what are the actions or advice we have for you, and the strength and opportunities and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the oracle deck, so please do stay till the end. Alright, if you're looking for a more accurate and personal reading, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for Aries for the month of Feb. Please tell me what's the overall energy we have for Aries for February 2026. Overall energy for Aries. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's see what are the key challenges we have for Aries. Challenges for Aries. What are the challenges we have for Aries for 2026 February? Alright. Okay. Okay. Now let's see what are the actions or advice we have for Aries, please. Actions or advice for Aries for Feb 2026. Please clarify Three of Cups. Please clarify Three of Cups. Please clarify Three of Cups as the action or advice for Aries for 2026 February. I'll take one. Okay. Alright, now let's see what are the strength and opportunities we have for you. The strength and opportunities for Aries for February. What are the strength and opportunities we have for Aries? Okay. Please clarify Three of Pentacles. Oops. Please clarify Three of Pentacles as the strength and opportunities. Okay. Alright. Dealing with a lot of emotions, I see. Alright, let's see what's the probable outcome we have for Aries in February. Probable outcome for Aries in February. What's the probable outcome we have for Aries in February? Probable outcome for Aries in February. Okay. Alright, okay. Alright. Please clarify Three of Wands. Please clarify Three of Wands. Please clarify Three of Wands as the probable outcome for Aries. Alright, got it. So, bottom of the deck we have the Ten of Swords. So something ended here, my dear. Okay, something can be a situation. Situation can be a change in your workplace. End of a connection, a beautiful connection, and it was something where your trust was broken by the most trusted person or the most reliable connection. Okay, you had you were trusting someone or something blindly, and then it was like boom, you did not expect that to happen, and things ended in a most unexpected way, which was more difficult to deal with. So this energy is basically you are subconsciously you are feeling or you are dealing with. You may not be expressing it openly or talking about it properly or acknowledging it, but these are your subconscious energies is what I see, Aries. Okay, so you are dealing with some kind of betrayal, some kind of end. Okay, something ended, okay, which is very difficult for you to deal with, and you are still trying to understand and overcome from that situation or from that bond. Okay, it can be for very few and specific of you, but yes, this is what I'm seeing here happening or happened in the recent past with you. Okay, so the overall energy for you, Aries, in the February month is I see you are focusing on what is gone. Okay, so this is no coincidence that this card is continuing that message. Okay, something ended and you are still focusing on what is gone, and you are not able to overcome that pain. Okay, it can be it can be end of a beautiful connection. It can be you may have left a place where you have been staying for so long, and you are missing the kind of connections you would have made in that place. And there is this feeling of missing something and focusing all your energy or giving all your energy into what is gone. जो चीज चली गई है आप उसी चीज पर ध्यान दे रहे हो. Okay, so what you have to do is in this month, my dear, is that you need to change your perspective. Okay, आपको अपना lesson लेना है कि जो भी situation हमारे life में आती है, जो भी connections या जो भी there is no coincidence. Okay, हम जिससे भी मिलते हैं अपने life में, there is a reason behind it. Okay, so some people come as a blessing and some come as a lesson in our life. Okay, so just keep that in mind कि अगर कोई connection है जिसकी वजह से you have gone through some kind of pain, just try to understand the lesson that connection or that person was trying to teach you. Okay, so just grab that lesson and change your perspective. I know it's easy to say, but when you're going through it, it's not so easy to deal with it, right? But try to shift your perspective. Try to just grab that lesson and change your perspective and focus towards your goal. जो चला गया है और जिस पे आपका कंट्रोल नहीं है, उस पे अपना टाइम और एनर्जी वेस्ट करने से कोई मतलब नहीं है. So just try to change your perspective, grab that lesson and move on with a new perspective or a new way of seeing things. Okay, so उस चीज से आपको बाहर निकलने की जरूरत है, तभी आप अपने लाइफ में आगे बढ़ पाओगे. Okay, it can be anything. It can be in your career. आप कहीं पर बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहे थे and now things are not working so well, and you need to move out from that place or that work culture or that job, and you have to go to a different, maybe a different job, a different career path, a different path altogether. Something which was very close to you, very much you were connected with, that has ended or is going to end, and you need to just change your perspective and move on with a different perspective towards your goal. Okay, so just try to focus on that. Okay, because I see that there is something, for it can be for very few it is related to career, but all I see is you're dealing with a lot of emotional stuff. Okay, is what I'm getting here, Aries. So obstacle here for you is to is to openly express what you're dealing at an emotional level. As I said, right, something which you're not talking about, something you're not facing, you're maybe you are too afraid to acknowledge that pain or to deal with that pain or to sit with that pain. So आप अपने mind को distract भी कर सकते हो, maybe indulging in too many different things so that you don't get enough time to spend with yourself, where you can come and face your fears or face your pain. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. So obstacle here is, again, see, I never take these cards, but these cards are coming back to back. Okay, so just let me keep it here. First is we got this, and then this is, so this is a betrayal energy. Okay, you have gone through some kind of betrayal, some kind of pain, and some kind of thing which was very difficult to deal with. Okay, so something has ended. Okay, which is, I can sense that heaviness, but yeah. So you are dealing with something which is very heavy to deal with at an emotional level, and you are not talking about it. So if you keep your emotions suppressed, right, it will impact your physical health, your emotional health, and your mental health. So just try to release whatever is too heavy to deal with. Now obstacle here is to express again, राइट. आप अपने जो भी आपके इमोशंस हैं, आप उनको आप उनसे भाग रहे हो, तो आपको भागने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू डोंट हैव टू रन अवे. यू हैव टू सिट विद योर इमोशंस, यू हैव टू सिट विद योरसेल्फ एंड टॉक अबाउट इट. अगर आपको लगता है आप किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं कर सकते हो, तो जस्ट राइट इट डाउन ऑन पेपर एंड रिलीज इट, बर्न इट ऑफ. ओके, बट यू डू नीड टू स्पीक आउट. ओके, आई ऑल्सो सी दैट यू मे नॉट बी आप बहुत ज़्यादा मिंगल नहीं कर रहे हो लोगों से. यू हैव केप्ट योर सेल्फ आइसोलेटेड. ओके, यू आर नॉट एबल टू, बिकॉज यू डीप डाउन यू आर नॉट एक्सप्रेसिंग, एंड इट कैन ऑल्सो बी दैट नोबडी विल अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, उस तरह का थॉट भी आ सकता है कि nobody will understand what I'm going through, so it doesn't make sense to express. Okay, उस तरह के thoughts भी आ सकते हैं, और you might be having those feelings, that I don't want to express because nobody will understand, nobody cares. Okay, so just throw that a negative thing from your mind. Okay, just keep that out and communicate. Okay, face your fears. अपने emotions को आप ऐसे suppress मत करो, उनको उसको release करो. Whatever is heavy on you, just release it out. Write it down, burn it out, or speak to yourself in front of the mirror and release whatever is heavy on you to deal with. If you want to cry, cry it out. Okay, just release it. All right, so that will make you feel good, because the challenge here is not able to express properly. Okay, for some of you I see that you might not be trusting people. Maybe, as I said, ki kuch something happened from a most trustable or reliable person or a connection, just बैक स्टेप काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी के धोखा वाली एनर्जी है. तो ऑब्वियसली जब आपको ऐसा सिचुएशन आता है तो यू डोंट रियली ट्रस्ट एनीवन सो इजीली, राइट. सो उस तरह की एनर्जी भी है. सो जस्ट कैसे भी करके यू गो टू काउंसलर, you meet someone, there are different groups where people will come and express, and then they just you go, right, with no further communication, some kind of things. I think these kind of things happen, so where you can express and nobody will judge you, right. अगर आपको किसी से share नहीं करना है तो please write it down and release it. Okay, but don't keep it within you and suppress your emotions, because after a point of time it will erupt like a volcano, which is not good for you and for the other people around, or for your relation overall, right. So just try to focus on that, work on your emotions. Okay, just release whatever is holding you back and change your perspective. Okay, action and advice here is for you to be grateful for the genuine connections you have in life. Okay, जो भी है, एक person है, दो है, कोई नहीं है तो आप अपने लिए खुद हो ना, right. You don't have to always wait for the other person to celebrate or other person to have your back. No, right. Sometimes you are the you are your own strength, right. So just try to focus on your own well-being. Okay, आप दूसरों के बारे में अभी नहीं, आप अपने well-being के बारे में सोचो. What makes you feel good. Okay, it can also be meeting old friend of yours जिनसे आपने बहुत टाइम से बात नहीं की, आप उनसे मिलो, थोड़ा सा सेलिब्रेट करो. Okay, celebrate. I know you will say ki when I'm going through a painful situation, how can I celebrate? But no, you need to meet people or celebrate small things. At least maybe you need to focus on your lesson. Oh, thank God, at least मुझे ये अभी पता चल गया, बाद में पता चलता तो I don't know what would have happened, right. I don't know why I'm saying this, but it's coming strongly. So just be grateful for whatever you are blessed with. Okay, just try to change your perspective. As I said, अगर आप उस चीज पे फोकस करोगे कि क्या चला गया है, तो फिर आप उस लैक वाली एनर्जी में रहोगे and you will attract that same thing. So change your perspective and be grateful for what you have. Focus on your goal, work towards your your goal. Okay, maybe for some of you might be planning to relocate. For some of you might be planning to start something, kind of a side hustle kind of thing. ठीक है, तो उस चीज पे फोकस करिए आप, राइट. जस्ट चेंज योर पर्सपेक्टिव एंड start something for your own good, for your own betterment, maybe towards your goal, towards maybe you might be planning to focusing on your health, right. So just try to change your perspective and start working for things what actually you think is what you say कि आपके लिए क्या चीज़ अच्छी है, उस चीज़ पे आप ध्यान देना शुरू करो. मे बी योर हेल्थ, योर करियर, योर डिफरेंट आइडियाज, डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज कमिंग टू योर वे वेयर यू कैन वर्क विथ सो मच ऑफ पैशन. सो जो भी है उस चीज़ पे आपको आप फोकस करने की ज़रूरत है, राइट. यू नीड टू बी डिटर्मिन्ड एंड एट द सेम टाइम you need to celebrate for whatever you are blessed with your genuine connections. Okay, it can be your parents, it can be your pet, it can be your old friends, it can be your childhood friend, it can be your college friends. Okay, anybody, right. So जिनके साथ आपको genuine connection है, आप उनके साथ time spend करिए and focus towards your goal. Don't focus on what is gone. All right, what is gone, and you need to see why it has gone and what good it has brought to you, and just try to work on it. Okay, now I see that the strength and opportunities. Yes, so you might be very good in communicating. Okay, you might be having different ideas, different strategies where you can have a, maybe you are very good in having a different source of income. आपके business ideas आपको बहुत अच्छे आते हैं. Okay, you know how to make money from different sources, right? So just try to communicate and try to work on it. Okay, you may have to meet some senior person, maybe a gathering kind of thing, okay, might be coming, and where you will have to communicate. Okay, so what kind of ideas are coming and how you can make it work, how can you bring your plan into action, उस तरह की energy है. And I also see that walk away from whatever is not fulfilling for you. Okay, जो भी है, जैसे ये वाली एनर्जी है ना, आपको इधर से इस चीज से बाहर आके इस चीज में जाना है कि जो हो गया, आई एम लीविंग इट बिहाइंड एंड नाउ आई एम वॉकिंग टूवर्ड समथिंग विच इज फॉर माई ओन गुड, फॉर माई हाईएस्ट गुड. ओके, सो उस तरह की एनर्जी है. जो हो गया है उस चीज को आपको जाने देना है, एंड रेदर ट्राई टू बी मोर vocal about your ideas, about your strategies, and communicate. Okay, as I said, you can also meet some senior persons, some counselors, if you need to feel light at an emotional level. I also see there can be some kind of spiritual guru you might be meeting who will help you to overcome your this feeling of lack and sadness if you're going through it, right? So us tarah ki energy hai. Now the outcome here is I see for you is that you will be able to overcome whatever is holding you back. ठीक है, आप इस एनर्जी से आप इस एनर्जी में आ जाओगे कि now you have the idea, now you know what next step you have to take, and now you are just waiting for your ship to arrive so that you can jump into it and move on with your strategies towards your destination, is what I'm getting here. Okay, also as I see that जो भी आपकी insecurity है, you need to let it go. आप अपने फाइनेंसिस को लेके थोड़ा आपको स्ट्रैटेजाइज होने की ज़रूरत है, थोड़ा बैलेंस करने की ज़रूरत है ना, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट की ज़रूरत है. अगर आप इनसिक्योर फील कर रहे हो तो यू नीड टू लेट दैट गो. एंड अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा इनसिक्योर रहोगे तो आप ग्रो नहीं कर पाओगे, राइट? सो यू नीड टू ओवरकम दैट इनसिक्योरिटी एंड work with proper plan and proper strategy. Don't just jump into anything. You need to have a proper plan, is what I'm saying. Don't jump into anything by without any proper plan and strategy and without thinking of the outcome. Okay, so whatever is holding you back, whatever is difficult for you to deal with, Aries, I see that you need to just focus on your lesson and move on in your life. Okay, don't keep crying over the spilt milk, is what I'm getting for the overall energy of the month. Okay, so just try to change your perspective and work towards what is good for you. I'll just take one card. Two came out, so I'll take one. So okay, the guiding message for you, Aries, is summer. Okay, bask in joy and light. So whatever you are dealing with, I see the coming summer you will be able to focus more on what lessons you have learned, and when you look back you will be like, whatever has happened, it was for my own good. Maybe आप अभी उस चीज को समझ नहीं पा रहे हो, but after a certain point of time, when you look back, you will be thankful for whatever has happened. At least it gave you a new perspective, it gave you a different path, and it gave you so much of clarity. And you will be sometimes it's like the universe will teach us in a difficult way, so that when we look back we can be thankful for the pain which we are going through right now, and it has made us stronger, it has changed our perspective to see things, and now we are coming out much stronger, right? So us tarah ki energy hai. Just keep that in mind, be positive, don't lose hope, and try to focus on your own well-being. Okay, so that is a message I have for you, Aries, for February. If you have liked it, please do like this video, please claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.